Hi. Today on AFK Cook, we're making a super easy Thai red curry that's perfect to use up whatever you have left in your kitchen. Here are all the ingredients you are going to need. By the way, this makes 8 portions, making it perfect for meal prep or a very hungry family. First, we will start with a quick bit of prep. Dice your chicken into bite-sized pieces. This is important as it ensures the chicken cooks evenly. You could replace this with any other desired protein or veggie options like tofu. Next, get your vegetables ready. If you're using fresh veg, try to cut everything to a similar size so it all cooks evenly. But if you're using a frozen veg mix like me, that's completely fine as it saves time. This step is also your chance to customize. Throw in anything you like, such as peppers, broccoli, bamboo shoots, or some extra chili if you want more heat. The goal here isn't perfection, it's making something that works for you. Next, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs mostly clear. This is important as it removes some starch from the rice and prevents it from clumping up. To cook the rice, I would highly recommend using a rice cooker, since this is one of the easiest ways to guarantee good rice with zero effort. But if you don't have one, a saucepan with a lid works just fine too. If you want some extra flavour, you can even cook your rice with a pinch of salt or swap some of the water for some stock. While the rice cooks, heat a drizzle of oil in a large saucepan and add your diced chicken. Cook until it's lightly browned. You're not aiming to fully cook it yet, just to build flavour. Remember, you can replace the chicken for other proteins, and if you're using tofu, try frying it separately first for a better texture. Once the chicken has some flavour, add your Thai red curry paste, then pour in your coconut milk and stir everything together. This is where the dish really starts to come together. If you don't have coconut milk, you can always use something like cashew cream for richness or oat milk for a lighter option, but this will slightly change the final flavour. You can also adjust the intensity here by adding more curry paste for heat or more liquid to mellow it out. For an extra depth of flavour, a splash of fish sauce, a squeeze of lime juice or a pinch of sugar can balance and enhance the flavour. Let the sauce simmer briefly and then add your vegetables. Bring everything back up to the boil, then reduce the heat and let simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is tender. Frozen vegetables may take a little longer, so don't worry if it needs extra time, and if your sauce feels too thin, just let simmer uncovered to thicken, or simply a bit more liquid if it gets too thick. This step is very forgiving, just keep tasting and adjusting as you go. Once everything is cooked through, plate your rice and spoon the curry over top. You've now got a full, balanced meal that's easy, adaptable, and hard to mess up. As I mentioned, this recipe is also great for meal prep. You can freeze it either mixed together or just the curry on its own. But as a top tip, mixing the rice with the sauce before freezing helps keep the texture, since plain rice can dry out a bit on its own. Thanks for watching. If this helps you feel more confident in the kitchen, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, flexible recipes like this. Drop a comment if you tried this recipe or added your own twist. I'd love to hear how you made it your own. And if you know someone who's always stuck eating snacks while gaming, share this with them and help them level up their meals too.